Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to increase notification volume on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02 and settings, tap the sounds and vibration. And sounds and vibration, you can see the volume. Okay, tap the volume. And okay guys, here in volume, you can see the notification. And okay guys, to increase the notification volume, okay, you'll have to do is tap the edge of the line. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully increased the notification volume on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.